it's not likely that you're going to be able to mitigate that total price of buying an option that gives you 100% protection. Um, and I don't even want to get into that you could sell an at the money call because that's a whole other trade. So I'm just going to concentrate on this caller. If you choose to have no downside risk and you buy that at the money option, when you select your call, you will likely not be able to cover the cost of that put. Now, if we're looking at a strike um, below, right, another put where I'm paying less for it, but I'm now have potential some risk, I could potentially offset what I pay for that put based off of the strike selection for the call. Now, if you are able, it's not always that easy to do, but if you're able to buy a put for X amount and sell a call for the same X amount, right? That is actually called a zero cost caller. Sometimes to get to zero cost, there might be some tweaking when it comes to strikes, um, but it is a known way to pay for that put. Um, and if you were able to sell a call for what you're paying for that put, that is a zero cost caller. Now, um, I believe when I go through my prices, I did not price them off of having a zero cost because you don't. It's difficult to do because of the sacrifices that go into either your upside or your downside options. But sometimes it works, right? Um, so this is what we're looking at. We own 100 shares again at $105, 45 days out. We've decided that we are going to purchase the 95 put. We are willing to take a $10 hit there before that protection starts. We're paying $360 for it, and then we're selling the 115 call for $3. Net, we're paying $60 for this covered for this color. I do want to note, in my example, I just bought the offer and sold the bid. Now, for you out there, you can finesse this, right? You can actually put in a lower bid and see if the market makers out there are willing to sell it, or if there's another another retail investor that's willing to sell it. You can put in a bid just below the offer, thinking somebody might sell it. So you can try to get better than what's out there. It's just a matter of finessing it and figuring out the right price to pay. But in my example, I just bought the offer and sold the bid.